Alright, good evening. I'm not gonna have my face cam on because I am a little bit sick and I look fucking awful, but that's besides the point. Uh, Today for me was pretty awful. I mean, I did get a winning trade and I'll show you that winning trade. But first, I want to quickly just go over what the charts did today and why I took the trade today. Uh, but these candlesticks from today, like it seems like we are bullish, because it definitely was an upwards trend day, but it's pretty much a consolidation. I would personally consider this consolidation, even though we're making higher highs and higher lows. Like we took some lows out on the 5-minute chart, but like overall on the 1 hour we kept taking out the highs, but that's pretty much besides the point. But yeah, I would definitely consider this day a consolidation day. I am pretty much pissed at. I took 3 trades today, so I went from being up. I think I was up 1.7k at one point, but now I'm up $600, and it's just not. I pretty much broke a lot of my rules. I did a lot of stuff like an idiot, but it's still a green day. However, I did not like today, so that's why I want to do this video to show you guys low probable days. I mean, today it wasn't that low probability. However, it was it didn't give any A+ setups. Like this is the 5-minute chart. We hit this Sibi, we went back down, we didn't take the low, we rejected it and went back up. We then got a market structure shift on the 5-minute chart. This is what I was looking for. And then we got a 5-minute fair value gap to the upside, or a busy. And we just completely obliterated it. However, we did still respect it overall, which is, like, I don't know if it was this order block or something else behind here, or if ES did something that was something peculiar. Or let me find it. It's these candles. Oh yeah, this is the trade I took, right? This is the trade that I took that netted me 1.7. It was all the way to this high up here. This was what I was aiming for. 300 ticks. But what I saw, on this, if we go back to the 1-minute chart, I'll do higher time frame analysis in a bit. I'm gonna just quickly get out my anger. What I saw is ES had this low over here, right? This external sell side liquidity. It was something that I was looking for. ES finally took it, which means we have a divergence right here. SMT, smart money tool. And as soon as I saw ES took it and Q was on a 1-minute bullish fair value gap, I immediately took a long, straight away. As soon as I saw that happen, I just went in longs. I did not see this market structure shift. I did not go over prior higher time frames analysis, which is pretty bad because ICT says if you don't go on the higher time frames, your lower time frame analysis will never work. You'll always be in the negative if you don't look over the higher time frame first. But in the span of, what was it, 10 minutes or something? Yeah, 10 minutes, my TP got hit, which was a rush in itself. But as soon as I saw that ES took out sell side liquidity and NQ was far above sell side, 120 ticks, and I saw this fair value gap, I saw this, I took a long. There was nothing else in this trade, that is bad in and of itself, because you should come to the markets prepared. You should have gone through the 12 hour, you should have gone through the daily, you should have gone through the 2 hour, the 1 hour, the 15-minute, the 5-minute, and then finally the 1-minute if you're going to try to check a trade. But I only take a trade on the 5-minute, of course. That's why this thing right here looked so weird to me, that we just completely obliterated it. But I saw this form and I took it. I'm gonna go grab something to drink because my throat is absolutely killing me right now, and we'll just quickly go over the day, why the market did this and did that. Yeah, I'll be right back. So if we just, I'm gonna be mainly focusing on the Nasdaq because that's pretty much all I trade. But let's just start with the weekly. What I've been looking at is just bearishness, pure bearishness, because we respected this order block to the downside. That's all I've been looking for. Like, I want us to see us come all the way down here, come all the way down here in like the next months, maybe next year, you know, because this is on the weekly chart. Shit doesn't move. But on the daily chart, we took out this high back on Friday with non-farm payroll. It had this fair value gap here that it filled. Jesus Christ. It had this fair value gap, respected the mean threshold of it. So I'm bearish, you know. 12 hour. I don't know if you guys are starting to see this, but I think you guys should see this, right? Let's just go on the 1 hour. Actually, the 4 hour, we've been respecting all sorts of fair value gaps, order blocks, breaker blocks, everything. Like this breaker block right here, it's being respected all the way over here. It got respected here. This fair value gap, that's also being respected to the high of it. All the bodies over here respecting the high of it. If we go on the 1 hour chart, however, you probably should see this straight away. This is the market maker sell model, consolidation, and then finally we're starting to fall. This is probably the first leg right here. Come on, right there. Second leg, and then I am aiming for this low all the way down here. Like, this is what I'm seeing as of right now. However, if we go over to ES is pretty much close to filling its like this sell side over here. I'll zoom in on this a little bit more so you guys can see it. This sell side over here is enough to complete the market maker sell model. That is enough to complete it. This right here, this is enough to finish the market maker sell model. Right, consolidation, distribution, more accumulation, and then we should come all the way down here, maybe possibly to down here. But again, this liquidity right here is more than enough. Like, this liquidity right here is more than enough to finish the market maker sell model. But I have been looking at this since August, as you can see, end of August. I saw this starting to form with these like pulls on the 4 hour chart. This is a fair value gap on the 4 hour chart, and when I saw this started to accumulate during what was it, this entire week, it's almost a week, right? But for ES, it's been dropping all the way since back in 31st of August. The entire Discord saw this happening, the market maker sell model. Everybody was ready for it to start to sell off. That's why I was bearish the entire day, right? I was bearish the entire day. So on the 5-minute chart, let's maximize NQ again. Right, we were bearish, right? Bearish, so I was bearish. Off the bat, 9:30 open, it opened up with a kicker. Immediately went into a fair value gap. I was gonna enter this. I wanted it to go back into mean threshold. It never actually did, so I never actually got my entry, which is completely fine. It's not that bad. I'm not gonna go crazy about it. But once I saw that we failed to take this low, I was starting to turn bullish, but I was bearish overall. I was still looking into shorts, but I saw ES had that SMT, this SMT over here, and I just took a long right off the bat. Took a long immediately. No, I didn't calculate my risk. I didn't calculate my TP. I just saw it happen. It's a high probability setup, and I took it. It netted me 300 ticks with 2 TPs. First one, and then second one over here. Right. So first TP was 180 ticks, second TP 250 ticks, and last TP was 300. That's where I killed my trade, because this is where I thought the market would start to reverse. I could have just reversed my position, but I need like confirmation, right? I need liquidity taken. I need displacement, and then like if I was gonna take a short, what I was looking for, it would have been this. But again, no market structure shift. But that was the long that got me up good today. I should have called it a day there. I definitely should have. But this just seemed like such a high probability market with the SMT and the bullishness, the volatility of the 8:30 news right here. So I saw this barely a market structure shift, like immediately. It was such a small one. This isn't a displacement. It isn't. So I took a short. I took a short. I calculated my risk up to this high right here. I calculated all the way through, so I would have been risking 250 bucks, and I was aiming for this sell side over here. 350 ticks again. Like if both of my trades went well, I would have been up like almost 4k on the day. But first TP was this low. You can see it never got hit. It never did. It came back to break even. I started to panic, and then this candle, it spiked up and then spiked down again, like extremely hard. It went up and then straight back down. So I was still liking my shorts. I didn't close at a break even. I was still liking it. It continues up, goes back down. We were back at break even. I'm still liking my short, and then it does this bullshit. This is where I was contemplating on killing a trade. It was also like I held it all the way through lunch, like a diamond hand degen. I held it all the way through lunch, and I finally got stopped out after 2 hours and 20 minutes. I held that shit all the way through, and I got stopped out in full. I averaged another mini, I think somewhere close to here. So I had this short, and I also added here, right? So I could have been losing 250 bucks, right? Like a normal person, losing the risk I am able to handle. But no, I ended up losing close to 500, I think, close to 500 on that trade. All right, cool, whatever, doesn't matter, don't care. Again, I'm still bearish on the day. Remember, we're in a market maker sell model, but it's a higher time frame market maker sell model. Oh whoa, market maker sell model. So I definitely shouldn't be looking into shorts. We are bullish, right? You see that, right? We're taking out highs. We're making higher lows. We're taking out highs again. We're taking out another high. We're taking out another high. So why the fuck am I still looking for shorts? Anyway, the next trade is somewhere around the 3 o'clock. I think it is this short right here. This tiny ass fair value gap right here. What do you guys see right here? What do you guys see? Nothing. That's exactly what you see. You see jack shit. There's no market structure shift. There's no breaker structure. There is a respected busy that gets respected twice. There is all bullish PDAs are going against me, and my stupid ass took a short. Sorry, my stupid ass took a short. I calculated my risk once again, 200 or 250 ticks. But I didn't enter 250 bucks. Sorry, or yeah, I calculated my risk 250 bucks. But no, this is 50 ticks. I had it at 50 ticks. I entered in 2 minis, right? So if we go into my paper trading account, we go into trade, we go into order, we go into 2 minis, 50 ticks. That's 500 bucks right there. I lost another 500 bucks. I held this shit. I entered here. I saw we went immediately to profit to 60 ticks. That's pretty much nothing on NQ. However, I rolled with it. I did what I did. But yeah, this shit happened. We pumped 177 ticks in the matter of 15 minutes. I got so pissed, bro. So I took my 600 bucks and I ran. But this day was awful for me. I don't know what happened. I don't know what I did wrong. I should have cleared my head, because I think what I think personally is the adrenaline that I got from this trade right here. The 10-minute trade that netted me 1.7k. I think that's what got to me. That's what made me still look into shorts, still want to take another 300 tick trade when all volatility lost after 11 o'clock. But yeah, that's what happened. Like, I could have longed this, calculated my risk down to here. I could have longed all the way up to, I don't know, if I had diamond hands, 400 ticks, I don't know. But yeah, follow the trend, guys. Definitely do. If you don't see a clear market structure shift with displacement, like if you don't see, right? If you don't see this, then why the fuck are you in a short, right? If you don't see the trend just completely leaving you, just like goodbye, you know? If this doesn't happen, then like if this happens, don't take a short, bro. Don't. Let it be, cuz this will happen, right? But if this happens, the market just completely leaves you behind, then look into short right here, you know? Then do that. But if it does this bullshit, you know, barely goes without you, then don't take a short. Lesson learned from today. This is my video journal. My name is Hasi. Take care.